We all know that hard song that we hope to master one day, but what are some easy songs that you can start singing right now and sound great? Today I'm going to give you 5 easy songs to sing for female singers. Let's get started. Hi singers, my name is Ronja Peterson and today we're going to geek out on 5 easy songs to sing for female singers. I've tried to find something that's both a little older and newer so there's something for everyone, and links to the lyric videos are in the description below. Let's just dive right in. Here's song number 5. Love Song with lead singer Selena Gomez. The vocal range of this song is from F-sharp 3 to B4, which makes it span over 18 semitones or an octave and a major third. The song is from 2011. It is catchy and it is fun to sing, and although a lot of the song sections start on the upbeat, the rhythms are still pretty easy to follow. I definitely recommend that you try this one out. Song number 4. The Do Run Run by The Crystals with lead singer Dolores Brooks. The vocal range here is from G3 to B flat 4, which makes it span over 16 semitones or an octave and a minor third. The song is from the year 1963, and I also really like singing this one. The rhythm is quite easy here to sing in this song, and if you listen to the drums, they're going to give you little hints on when to start singing. Song number 3, To Make You Feel My Love with Adele. The vocal range in this song is from B flat 3 to B flat 4, and it spans 13 semitones or just one octave. It's from the year 2009, and the reason I chose this song is because it's not always easy to tackle Adele's songs, but this one is pretty good because the vocal range is so short and she sings like more softly on some of the higher notes, which are still within a good beginner range. Try to sing along with her on some of the phrases. One of the phrases she sings the word you. It's a little higher but softly. She sings, to make you feel my love. And that's really nice. So imitate that and practice with that. I think this is a great beginner song because it gives you a chance to sing heartfelt and do different things with your voice, but it's not too hard. Song number 2, Malibu with Miley Cyrus. This song has a vocal range from E flat 3 to F4, and it spans 15 semitones or just an octave and a major second. This vocal range is quite low, so if you're looking for a song that continues in chest voice from beginning to end, this is a good song for you. Practice the verses a few times because the phrasing can be a bit tricky, so practice with her singing along a few times until you're comfortable, and then move on to the karaoke track. And now we have made it to song number 1, and it is Mamma Mia by ABBA, with the 2 female lead singers Agneta Fältskog and Annie Frid Lyngstad. I hope I said that right. The vocal range of this song is just one octave or 13 semitones, and it sits very comfortable for a lot of female singers between A3 and A4. The song is from 1975, so if you're looking for something to sing that's not just on the popular radio, this is a good choice for you. The phrasing in this song starts many times on the downbeat, which also makes it easy to know when to start singing. And that's why this song has made it to number 1 on the list of the 5 easy songs to sing for female singers, is because it has good and easy phrasing and it has a nice comfortable vocal range. Definitely try this one out. So there you have it. Those were the 5 easy songs to sing for female singers. If you know of any other songs, add them in the comments below so we can grow the list together. And if you haven't done it yet, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel right here. I'm trying to make my channel sustainable and get to 1,000 subscribers so I can keep making these videos. So I would really appreciate it if you hit that button right here, and I thank you for your support. I will see you again next week where we're going to continue to geek out on your voice to create the sound that you want.